Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Teresa, this is Carissa. We are sitting outside on a beautiful Sunday afternoon doing some repotting. It is April, but it's a nice enough day to have these guys outside and actually spare my house the mess.
Well,
so
for now.
For now. So what we thought we'd do first, I'm probably gonna break this up into multiple videos just because we've got quite a bit to do today. But I did want to show you the soil or soilless mix that we're making. This is not always going to be what we do, but this is what we have on hand. And I know we've done quite a few plants in this and it's doing well. So
I prefer this method.
Yeah,
this medium.
So we're still playing with the perfect mix ourselves, as everybody else does. And we thought we'd just share this with you. So as you can see, this Mongo bag of perlite. Yeah, so stay tuned and we'll go through this one. This will be pretty quick. First off, we have cocoa core chunks. And we are really far from the camera. What we did this time was bought, I'll say compressed. So we break it apart and then soak it in water. And it's quite a nice chunk. I'm hoping you can see that from way over there. And yes, you're getting coffee. You're getting whatever we've got out here. This is it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take part of this and I'm going to make kind of a even mix here.
Less perlite this time.
A little less perlite, yes.
We definitely used too much last time and everything had a lot of perlite going on.
Well, it's, we're just kind of winging it. There's no exact measurements when you're making this.
No.
Okay, so then we're gonna, we can throw that. So these are the clay balls, Leca clay balls. I'm not a huge fan of using these, but they are good in the soilless for drainage and aeration.
Maybe not.
Probably do a little more. Okay. So then, beautiful perlite, which is actually nice to be doing outside because
so dusty.
It's so dusty, and I think it's volcanic ash or something. I'm not supposed to really be breathing it in, but
when do we ever listen?
And these, we got the super chunky perlite. I'm not a fan of the little stuff. This tends not to, well, you see it on the surface, but the small perlite tends to eventually float up and you've got all of your perlite on the top. So I'm not a huge fan of that. But I would love to lift and pour this bag, and it's not that it's heavy, but it's super awkward.
It's massive.
So we got perlite to last us quite a while.
Probably a year, let's be real.
Maybe.
If that.
At the rate we repot?
Well, I mean, to be fair, we've had a lot of stuff in really crummy dirt and soil or whatever for a very long time, and now they're just finally starting to show that they hate it.
Yeah.
And that they need new. And they are not shy in telling you.
No, as you'll see. Enough?
Yeah. We don't want to go any more than that.
We'll see when we mix it.
I don't think we want to go more than that, though. You got these over there.
Just clip it up. Clip here.
Or chip.
All right. Then we use biochar, which is sorry, I'm just reading the bag. Reading the bag right now. All right, let's just see what this says. More productive soil, better root growth, optimal nutrient access, excellent water retention, prevents compaction, and high carbon levels. Very good. Very good. Very good. That's all I can say. Now these again.
Ooh, look at the smoke coming off. Or not smoke, but it kind of looks like smoke.
Dust.
It does, but it's like a black fog.
Yeah, this one, as you can see, is a very, very chunky charcoal too. And then vermiculite. Let's see.
It holds on to that liquid.
Ideal for germinating flowers, vegetables, and herbs, as well as root cuttings when mixed with peat moss. So it's actually, I can't remember what they said about this one. Increases aeration and drainage, which helps root development. Also helps maintain soil moisture. I can't talk today. For less watering. I'm not sure if that's true. We haven't experienced that yet. But
well, we only started using it last week. So
we're just gonna pour some of that in. This is a very almost like perlite, like it's a very light and airy actually.
it kind of looks more like shredded wood
Yeah,
than perlite.
yeah. So then we're going to mix this, which is, I wonder if we put the lid on. Okay, this is gonna be loud.
Oh dear, I am scared for this.
So I might just like fast forward through this part so I just don't trust this lid. Nope.
Yep, we just lost the vermiculite.
All right.
That's not gonna work.
That idea was a fail. Now I gotta start.
You flunked.
So much easier just to do this with your hands.
Then why don't you use your hand? I've got dirt or soil or whatever all over my living room floor right now from when the Macon decided to just tip over off of the ledge.
Yeah, I don't know what it is with their plants, but they keep like just jumping off the shelves.
It's almost always the Macons. I don't know what I'm giving them that's making them like so jumpy. But that was the same problem I had when they were on the swing in my bedroom.
Yeah.
They kept like falling off. And I'm like, I don't understand this. You're in a big enough pot. You're not a heavy plant. I should not have issues with you falling off of this off of your home.
All right. So that's what the mix ends up looking like. And it's nice, it's airy, it's chunky, it's got nutrients. Yeah, and it's soilless. So basically, I think what, you kind of got to find what works for you, what you like. Everybody's going to have their own kind of mix. We're still testing. We'll see how this one goes. And then sometimes it's just dependent on what we actually have in the house. Like,
We have cocoa fiber at my house. I just realized that.
oh, wow. There's a lot of fiber in this mix. Though.
There is, but because you remember we did the mix last summer and we did like my snake plants and stuff and my silver satin.
Right.
That was almost all just fiber, like the cocoa fiber.
Oh, okay. Cocoa core.
So that's all that's in that box pretty much. Maybe a little bit of perlite here and there, but
Be good to mix it in. Okay.
Yeah.
It's good to have. Yeah,
I just remembered that right now.
Okay, I feel like I saw it. Okay, so also hummus would be another one we'd add in,
Oh, yeah.
but we haven't been able to.
Okay,
We went to
yeah.
get it and they were already out of stock. So.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Sad.
so that's it for this one. Just wanted to share that. If you have any questions or comments, share them below. Maybe you've got great ideas for even better,
Additives.
additives that would work. But so far, this is what we like. So anyway, thanks for watching.